Hey, it's Tony here, your crypto knight in shining armour, and today I'm on the quest to slay a dragon. Now, before I get into that, let me just make a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an accountant, I'm not giving you advice. If you want to get involved in cryptocurrency, it's highly risky. Make sure you take professional advice and make sure you only invest that you're happy to lose. I'm not giving advice, I'm merely talking to you about what's happened in my experience. So with that said, I want to slay a huge dragon, and that's one of capital gains tax. I mean, there's only two things certain in life: death and taxes. So I was talking to my accountant in Portugal yesterday. I'm fairly new to Portugal. I'm just setting up in the tax regime here, getting registered, making sure I understand what the different levels are and things like this. And we were talking away, and towards the end of the conversation, I just casually mentioned about cryptocurrency. And my accountant's eyes lit up. She said, "Oh, are you into cryptocurrency?" I said, "Well, I'm just starting. I'm just beginning to invest." She said, "Well, what are you doing?" So I said, "Well, I've got a broker. I gave him $2,000 last week. He's given me $300 this week, so as a return on investment. So I guess I ought to talk to you about capital gains and what we do and how that works." And she said, "Well, that's the good news, because here in Portugal, we don't charge capital gains on cryptocurrency. So if you invest in cryptocurrency and you make a gain, you can take that money out and we won't tax you on it." Now that's a big deal. In the UK, where I've moved from, capital gains is anything from 10 to 20%. It's a bit complicated with cryptocurrency because they charge differently whether you've held it for a long time or a short time, and they've got this bed and breakfast thing, whatever that's all about. I don't really know. And also I know in the US, if you've got short-term holdings, you can be charged anything from 10 to 37% capital gains. There are some circumstances in the US where if you hold it for over a year, you can get as low as 0% if you're under a certain amount. So, but with Portugal, it's a blanket 0% across the board. I will not get charged tax on capital gains on anything that I make through cryptocurrency. So that's a huge bonus. So if you're into cryptocurrency, if you're looking to see how you can make this investment work for you, I highly recommend that you do some research and check in your own country what are the rules around capital gains, what benefits can you get. I mean, for instance, just as a little aside, there's also no VAT on cryptocurrency here in Portugal. So if I pay my accountant in crypto, which is what I'm going to do, then I don't have to pay VAT. So all good news as far as I'm concerned. I hope you're doing well with your cryptocurrency. If you want to know more about what I'm doing, then visit my Facebook page, the link's below, and don't forget to give a like to this video if you've liked it, subscribe if you want to know more. All of that really helps. Thanks very much. Catch you later. Bye now.